Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of network on Netflix. We click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Then in this page you will search about Netflix app and you will click here. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.